In this video, I'll show you how to download TikTok videos with no watermark. Now this works on your phone as well as on your PC, and in this case I'm just going to use my PC. What you want to do is head over to TikTok, find the video, let's just say this one. Then on your PC there will be a link right here. On your phone you will press the share icon down here and there will be a button called copy link. Now once you've copied the link, head over to Snaptic. Just search for snaptic.com and it will open up this website. Simply paste the link in here, press download, and then you want to press download again. Close down this ad and you will have the download in your downloads. On your phone it works exactly the same way. The download will come over to your downloads folder. Now that's about it, guys. It's really simple and really easy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.